Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a clickable phone number in Wix Studio so your mobile visitors can call your business with a single tap, improving your conversion rate and customer communication in 2026. Let's get into it. First, open Wix Studio and select your text element. The first step is identifying the specific piece of text you want to turn into a functional link. In Wix Studio, any text can be transformed into a click-to-call trigger, whether it's in your header, footer, or a contact section. Log in to your Wix Studio editor. Navigate to the page where your phone number is displayed. Click once on the text box containing the number. If you haven't typed the number yet, go to the Add Elements panel, select Title or Paragraph, and type your business phone number, like +1 234 567 980. This is the anchor phase. In 2026, mobile-first design is the standard. By selecting this text, you are preparing to add a protocol, tell, that tells a smartphone's operating system to switch from the web browser to the phone app the moment the user interacts with it. Next, highlight the text and open the Link tool. To make the number interactive, you need to apply a hyperlink. However, instead of linking to a URL, we will use a specific communication command. Double-click inside the text box to enter Edit Text mode. Then, highlight the entire phone number with your cursor. Click on the link icon, the small chain link, found in the floating text settings toolbar. This is the instruction phase. Highlighting the specific digits ensures that the entire string acts as a button. In 2026, Wix Studio's text editor is highly responsive. By linking the text directly, you ensure that the clickable area is large enough for a user's thumb to hit accurately on a small screen. Lastly, choose the phone number link option. Wix Studio has a dedicated category for communication links, making it much easier than manually typing out HTML code. In the Link To pop-up window, look at the list of options on the left-hand side and select Phone Number. The selection. In the input field that appears on the right hand, type your phone number again. This is the protocol phase. When you select this option, Wix Studio automatically adds the tell prefix in the background. In 2026, this is the universal signal for browsers to initiate a call. It's crucial to enter the number here exactly as it should be dialed, including the country code if you serve international clients. And that's pretty much it. To create a clickable phone number in 2026, select your text element, highlight the number, and click the link icon. Choose phone number from the list, enter your digits with the country code, and format it cleanly. Style the text so it looks like a link, hit publish, and your mobile visitors will be able to call you with just one tap. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.